What is happening, you sexy lads? What do you think if we did a rev battle with the most insane, loudest cars in today's market and maybe an old school car? Because I think we got the metal for it. What do you guys think? Let's get it! And ladies and gentlemen, why don't we start with a bang? The Lamborghini Reventon V12, 650 horsepower. Let's do this! If we go from one of the older cars that we have here to one of the newest, the 2018 AMG GT R by Mercedes. That's right, not a Nissan, bitches. Ooh, Pedro, you're getting a cold start on this one.
You know it, you know it.
Start, stop button, ready? Ooh. And from the green monster from the green hill, we're gonna go into, honestly, the car that's gonna sound the worst. The McLaren 730S. I know people call it the 720S, and that's what McLaren called it, but I call it the 730S because, you know, I love it so much. So, anyways, let's get inside and give Pedro some reps. Wait, what? Revs. What? Ooh. Okay, here we go. Start, stop. No! I don't know where the key to the McLaren is. This one has a limiter. So that was disappointing.
This actually sounds pretty freaking good.
Outside, really? Did it sound good?
It sounds not really as good. Loud as these, but it sounds really good.
Really?
It's a great tone too. Yeah.
Huh, interesting. And ladies and gentlemen, from the 730S and its sexiness, we're gonna jump into the Federico, the Ferrari. I don't know how the people call it that. So this one's a V8 twin turbo engine. This is the first time they do it in their mid-engine car. Yeah, not an F40, not their hypercar, just the first time they do it on the regular mid-line. So Ferrari, show us what you got, yo mama. And the best thing about this one is convertible, so we'll be able to hear it better. Race. Somehow that seems weird. And ladies and gentlemen, now that the white pony's done, we're going with the bull. Oh my God, I think this is honestly gonna be the one. This is so loud and so like visceral. I'm not even gonna spoil it. You know what, let's just do this. Oh, this is my favorite one. You guys tell me what's yours, but this is mine inside of the car. Wow. I'm getting a phone call. Whoop! So what do you fellas think? Which one is your favorite? Mine, I gotta be honest, completely. Inside of the car, the Performante, there was nothing that sounded like it inside of the car. So that's mine. Please let me know your favorite in the comments down below. Again, fellas, my name is Alejandro. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, otherwise Pedro's gonna kill me because I never say that. I'll see you guys next time.